Hi. In this video, we will see the other functionalities of Telagus leads such as lead reports, assigning, moving and deleting Telagus leads, etc. First, log into Telagus by entering your username and password. Then select Leads from the left menu bar and click on All Leads to go to All Leads page. List of all your Telagus leads will be displayed on this page. You can find out any particular lead by entering similar inputs into search box on the top left corner of the page. If you wish to sort the leads order by any of the columns, you can click on the arrows or click on the column headers to change the sorting level of the leads from ascending to descending and vice versa. You can also filter the leads as per your requirements. Click on Assign to and select a user to from the list will display the only leads which are assigned to the selected user. You can filter the leads by clicking Created Date and select a duration from the list to filter the records. And you can also apply other filters by clicking on More Filters and select a field from the list to apply the filters as per your requirements. Below the filters, there is an option to view the number of records on a single page. Click on Number and select a number from the list to display the selected number of leads records on a single page. You can also choose the columns to be displayed for the records. Click on the Column Visibility button and select the columns you want to display for the records. Or you can uncheck the columns from the list to remove the column from the displayed list. Once selected and deselected the column names from the list, click on Apply to apply the settings on the leads records. If there are leads available in the list on which no action has been taken yet, it will be displayed highlighted and an information button in the action column will display the information that there is no action performed on this record. Click on Lead Reports button to view the report for all the forms from which the leads have been generated to Telagus. As you can see, upper portion of the report is showing the graphical data of all the forms and lower portion will be showing the details of the forms and number of leads data generated through each form. Then click on Back button to go to the leads page. If you wish to assign single or multiple or all the leads to one of your team members, you can do it directly from the list of leads. Just click on individual checkbox of the leads if you wish to select single or multiple leads. Or click on Select All checkbox from the top of the leads data if you wish to select all the leads. Then click on Assign Lead button. It will open a new pop-up menu and display the list of your team members. You can select the desired team member from the list and click on Assign button from the bottom to assign the selected leads to the selected team member. Once the leads needs to be moved to the next stage or next position of the flow, you can select the desired leads from the list and then click on Move Lead button. It will open a new pop-up menu and display the list of all the leads positions. You can choose the next position and click on Move button to move the lead to the desired position. If you do not require any of the lead into the system, you can select those leads and click on Delete button to delete those selected leads from the system. Please confirm before the lead is deleted, as once the leads are deleted, it won't be reverted. Or you can also delete single lead by clicking on Delete button in the action column of the lead. We have already explained how to add or import leads into Telagus in our other video. Please refer to the other videos of Telagus to stay updated and to learn more about the features of Telagus. Thank you.